Guys, it's your girl, you know who it is. Renaya. I am at a different house today. I have my sister and her little kitty and my baby cousin. If you seen that other video about me putting my soda in the freezer and eating it when I get back, but I couldn't do that because I had to come over here because my mom wanted to, and it wasn't nothing else to do with the house, and I started crying, so my mom so here, so here's my baby cousin Tiana. So hi. Her hair looks horrible, but don't make fun of her. And if you guys noticed that I had my sister in every one of my videos that I made, but I never had this little precious, the kitty. Turn around, little kitty. See? And oh, Tiana, bring her the cover.
You dropped this part and kept going. Get up there and get it up.
Okay. Tiana takes over her covers to her and her pillow. The kitty needs a cover. Her other cover, Tiana. Yes, it is. This one is going to take. Can you please shut that thing up? I don't know. Sorry, guys, but I'm kind of distracted because we have a lot of people who don't want to listen, like my baby cousin. But if you guys have noticed that I have had a fidget spinner in every one of my videos. But this is not mine, this is my sister's. I have a light up pink one and I have a light up purple one, so you guys should know that. Click the like below if you think that I have some beautiful fidget spinners, because I have like seven of them already. So, and now my baby cousin is playing with toys, but she knows she's not supposed to. But okay. And my sister is playing with her cat, which her daddy is gone. So if her daddy wasn't gone, then she would not be playing with that cat. Hey, stop. Stop. She got her cat Tinker Mom. Stop Tinker Mom. Stop Tinker Mom. Hey, Bug. Plug up. What's her name again? The pink one. Marble. Oh yeah, Marble. Plug up Marble. Plug up Marble. Plug up Marble. Yeah, put her on the charger. Marble. Let me see Marble. I love my Tinker Mama. Alright, you can go back over there. And I love my Marbar. Hey, Boo, what you do? Look at her tail. Marble. I got her I guess if you guys thought that Marvel was a real cat, she's kind of is like for us because I like kids. This is my baby, and there is no pink cat in the world unless they're naked, because if the cat is naked, then of course every person is pink inside. Every single animal is pink inside. Well, every single cat is pink inside. So unless they took their
Hey, Tinker Mom, stop. Stop, Tinker Mom.
unless they took off their fur. Yeah. So sorry guys, I've been on this phone for 6 minutes. Woo. Not even supposed to make a video for that long. My mom said I can only make a video that's like that's an hour long. So. And yes, we do have music playing in the back. It's because of my sister, her stupid tablet playing music all freaking night. And that tablet is gonna go dead. I'm assuming because it couldn't play music all night. Hey Tiana, can you hand me that gum paper? Yeah. Yes. I said gum paper. Yes, Kiki. I'm sorry. I was sick.
Stop, Tinker Mama, stop over here. You buy him out. Stop. How? How do you? Oh, stop. Yeah, stop holding up my car. I up here. You want a flex? Hey.
Hi guys, I just put my teeth in. My things in front of teeth because the bottom piece of the front of teeth. But you guys, I have a grill. If you haven't noticed, I literally had a grill in every single one of my videos. So, bye.